How to use DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor. Now, a lot of you may have asked on how to do this, but it's actually very simple. So once you've opened up a project in DaVinci Resolve, then adding a video from your media or importing a video, we can now get started. So first, go to your video and go to this edit option right here. Don't go to the cut, don't go to the media, you must need and go to the edit. So first, come here. Then you want to go and right click the clip that you want to edit or adjust the speed of. Let's say for example this one. Then right click and then you'll see the option right here called change the clip speed. Now you want to change the clip speed. Now this is where the real thing happens. So normally the speed is set to 100% with a 60 frames per second. And you can see the duration of the clip right here. Now, since we want to adjust on how to use the speed, we can do some varieties. Let's say for example, we have 100% speed, but we can lower the frames per second. We can drag that down, or you can just drag down the speed. Now, depending on the speed, that will be the amount of frames per second. You can also phrase the frame, which is right here, and then ripple this timeline, and then reverse the speed. Now, if you want, you can also stretch it to fit for the keyframes, and as you can see, it will adjust depending on the speed and the frames per second, and it's that really simple. So if you want the speed to be slower and the clip to be much slower, simply just lower the percentage of the speed or the frames per second. But if you want it to be faster, simply just raise it higher. So basically you can adjust it as much as you want until this clip is now at least 1 second longer. But if you want to make it super slow, like around 1% or even negative until the maximum clip on duration is now too big for the file, you can do that depending on your type of video. And that's how you can basically change and use the speed editor in DaVinci Resolve. If you like this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.